So today, we're starting a different type of video. So from now on, Money in the Bank ladder matches, I will randomly select 7 opponents, which I already did. I don't know how I got him in there. Look, I don't even know how I got Buddy Murphy in there. We're going to do a Money in the Bank ladder match, extreme moments only. Only because I have no time, at all, to do this before SummerSlam. I've already got the whole match filmed already for SummerSlam. I just finished it. It was Seth Rollins versus Chris in the Hell in a Cell to start off. Hell in a Cell's over there. New announce table, ladder setup, OMG moments, Hell in a Cell. Not Hell in a Cell, Money in the Bank. I've already randomly selected who it was. I spun a wheel on my app. I have an app on my phone, which I'm recording on now. I can't show it now, but spun a wheel. The winner is obviously in this match, and you'll watch the OMG moments and see who wins.
For